Blocked arteries don't happen suddenly. They build silently inside your body for years. And one day, this silent blockage can trigger a heart attack. But the right foods can help clean arteries and protect your heart naturally. Food can either damage your arteries or heal them. Watch till the end, the last food is a game changer. Bad cholesterol sticks to artery walls like glue. Over time, blood flow becomes slow and restricted. Sugar, fried food, and processed meals speed up blockage. Inflammation makes arteries stiff and weak. Now let's fix this with heart-friendly foods. Oats remove bad cholesterol before it sticks to arteries. Eating oats regularly keeps arteries cleaner. Garlic reduces plaque buildup naturally. It also helps lower blood pressure. Extra virgin olive oil fights artery inflammation. It keeps arteries flexible and healthy. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fats. Berries protect the inner lining of arteries. They fight oxidative damage that causes blockage. Green tea improves blood vessel function. Drink it without sugar for best results. Turmeric reduces artery inflammation. Curcumin supports smooth blood flow. Tomatoes contain lycopene for heart protection. Cooked tomatoes work even better. Dark chocolate improves blood flow. Just small amounts are enough. Water keeps blood thin and flowing. Your arteries respond to what you eat every day. Protect your heart. Start with your plate. Thanks for watching Health Hub.